Hello, Abe Safa here with Century 21 Harrelson Group in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I wanted to just shoot this quick video for you. If you own a property here in Horry County, you most likely received a notice recently from the county assessor's office. Now, the assessor's office is the one that dictates and comes up with the assessed value of your property, whether it's a home, condo, land, or whatever it may be. And then based on an assessment, whether you are a resident of Horry County or you live away, that will determine how much you pay in taxes. Anyway, this notice that went out recently looks something like this. And then what you're going to notice on here is the taxable value on the right-hand side. You'll see where it says taxable value. Below that, you're going to see what they include now as a market value. Okay. And then below that, you'll see again on the right-hand side, previous taxable value. So what you want to look at is your previous taxable value and then what the new taxable value is. And that's how you'll know how much of an increase there is in the taxable value. Now, then from there, of course, depends on whether you live here or not, will determine how much you pay in taxes. But anyway, what I'm seeing is, and I've got a lot of calls on this, that's why I wanted to do this video. What I'm seeing is, in many cases, it's actually pretty reasonable. Like mine went up 10%. Still relative to what the market value is, it's still pretty low. I'm not upset with it. I'm not going to contest it. But I'm seeing a lot of owners where it went up significantly and it doesn't match what the real value is in the current market. So I want you to look at it, look for it in your mail. If you did get one, take a look at the new value and see if it makes sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, then you want to contest it. Now, here's the rules for contesting it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to include the link to the county online form that you can fill out to actually contest this. So you've got 90 days from the date of the notice. Also on that notice, you'll see date of notice. Mine was July 8th. And then the last day to appeal, mine is October 5th. So roughly 90 days or so to appeal it. So you've got 90 days to appeal it. You can, when you appeal it online, you can actually attach some forms to it to validate your argument. Now, I literally just got off the phone a few minutes ago with a person in my database that I keep updated on the market. He owns a condo here in town. He was asking me what the process is. What I did is I showed him exactly what I'm telling you right now. And on top of that, I actually printed out 2 PDFs for him that he can submit to the county, one showing all the recent condo sales in his building, and then one showing how much is actually on the market for sale in the building. So he's got a good argument because his value was way over it. He came in at 205 from the county, and the unit is not anywhere near that. They're actually selling as low as 145. The highest sale was like 189. So he's got a good argument. If you need help coming up with a value for your home, no cost at all, I just want to be a service to you, be of value to you, give me a call, let me know. This is my number and email address here below. Again, my name is Abe Safa. I'm with Century 21. So you've got back to the process. You've got 90 days to appeal it. At that point, they'll make a decision. If they decline you, you can actually contest that and then submit some more documents for your case. And then at that point, they review it again, make a decision. But at the very least, if you're anywhere near what this guy was, that it was overvalued, what they came up with, definitely take a look at that and contest it while you can. Again, any questions you have, my number is right there on the bottom, my email. Please feel free to give me a call.